In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name in Hubstaff. If you need to update the name shown on your Hubstaff account, the process is very quick and straightforward. This is useful if you want to correct a spelling mistake, update the name displayed to your team, or make sure your account details are current. I'll walk you through exactly where to go and what to do so you can make the change without any confusion. To begin, make sure you're already signed into your Hubstaff account. Once you're on the main Hubstaff screen, look toward the top area of the page for your profile icon. This is the menu that gives you access to your personal account settings. Go ahead and click on that profile icon to open the drop-down menu. After the menu appears, look for the option labeled My Account. Click on My Account to open your account details page. This is the section where you can manage personal information connected to your Hubstaff profile. Once you're on the account editing page, find the name field and start typing your new name. Replace the existing name with the updated one you want to use. As you enter the new information, take a moment to double check the spelling and formatting so everything appears exactly the way you want it. This is especially helpful if your profile is visible to managers, co-workers, or clients inside your workspace. When updating your name, it's a good idea to keep it consistent with how you'd like to be identified across your organization. If you use a preferred name professionally, this is the place to make that adjustment. Just be sure the name you enter matches the format you want displayed in Hubstaff moving forward. After you finish typing your new name, simply make sure the change is saved if Hubstaff prompts you to confirm or update the information. Once that's done, your profile should reflect the new name. And that's all it takes to change your name in Hubstaff. As you can see, the process only takes a few clicks. Open the profile icon, go to My Account, and update your name on the account page. If this guide helped, you can follow the same general path anytime you need to review or update your personal account details in Hubstaff.